The secret to bigger, brighter and lifted eyes is Douyin cat eye. Viral for a reason, is perfect mix of cute and confident. I'm walking you through every step to get that cat eye look. Hi everyone, I'm Anzeei and welcome back to my channel. Here we do makeup, skincare and all things pretty. So if you're into that soft glam aesthetic with a hint of drama, hit that subscribe button and stay a while. Let's start with a smooth glowy base because Douyin makeup is all about that flawless doll skin finish. I'm using my trusty e.l.f. foundation. It gives me coverage without looking too heavy. Then I go in with concealer, spot concealing my acne mark. I actually mix two shades so it blends perfectly into my foundation. Because we're not here to highlight the imperfection, we're here to blur them. Next, blush. I use Rare Beauty liquid blush and I also like to add a touch on the nose base for that youthful, fresh from the sun glow. I lightly set everything with pressed powder, focusing on T-zone while leaving the cheeks glowy because later I'm gonna set it with powder blush. For brows, I fluff them up using a brow wax, then lock them in with a brow setter for hold and lift, keeping them soft but defined. For nose contour, I use Hoola bronzer and lightly shape the sides and the tip. Nothing too strong, just that gentle sculpt that brings the dimension to the face. Now for the main event, cat eye look. I mix purple and this cement brown and blending it on my lid. Gently blending it up and the outer corners to elongate the eyes without making it look too harsh. Then I drag the same color under my lower lash line, connecting it to the outer wings. This deepens the eyes without closing them off. I already lined my eyes off camera, now it's time for aegyo-sal. I sketched the little puff under my eyes using a light brown shadow, then I highlight with Pearly shimmer shadow to make the eyes look softer and youthful. I curl my lashes and apply the natural looking falsies off camera. After lashes, I set my cream blush with a powder blush for more dimension and color payoff. Then I softly bronze my face, just enough warmth to frame everything. I highlight my nose bridge, tip and tops of my cheek, right where the light naturally hits. It gives that subtle glow that like you are glowing from within. For lips, I'm gonna overline my Cupid's bow with a lip liner, then following my natural shape to give that plump lips. And I top it off with a chocolate nude shade lipstick and blend it softly to keep it full but not overdrawn. And that's the final look, a soft 8-pore cat eye that really makes the eyes pop. If you want your eyes to be center of the attention, this look is definitely for you. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you want to see next. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next video.